Hello and welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a planned piece of furniture like this one. Okay, so first thing, we're going to come here on File, a new project. Okay, and then we're going to change the dimensions of the room. The width is going to be 1000 and the depth will be 700, just to show the area that we're going to work on. Okay, so the width of our furniture will be, our wardrobe will be 900, the height 2450, and the depth will be 600. We just drag and drop to our project, and then each side will have 50 millimeters. Okay, now we're going to place a vertical partition, so we just drag and drop, and this side here, the right side, will have 300 like this. Okay, and then we're going to place a shelf on this side, just one, and the top part will have a height of 600. Okay, and on this side here we're going to place 4 shelves like this, like this. Okay, now we can change the materials all to be the same. The door that we're going to place will be white, so we just come here on cabinet door left and make sure to place it on both like this, and we can delete this handle because we don't need it for this project. And now we just place the panel to close those gaps. And just like this, we have our planned wardrobe. If you have any questions about this design, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.